think we complete each other. I mean, whatever hole we have, he filled. Whatever hole
I'm
we
the
have,
best looking one.
I don't argue with that. I accept.
So whatever he says, okay.
I think we did have, and probably have the shirt here. I'm gonna give it to you before we go. It's a cartoon kind of, print that each brother sort of has a special power, and we try to see what power would that be that translates the personality of each of the brothers. So Higan is kind of like the muscle guy from the Fantastic Four, the Rock kind of thing. It's like he has always been the bigger Machado, and but not just big. His skills.
We had a rule in the early 90s, right? So the guys, they walk into the school to challenge us, right? So we would size the guys up. So the guy would be coming in. So as we shake the hand, we would talk in Portuguese. No, he's mine. I take care of this guy. One time, one guy came in. He literally had to duck to get in the door. So he started talking to each brother. So each brother, he shook the hand. We're like this. Higan, he's yours. Then the next brother, like, Higan, he's yours.
One of the reasons that I feel it's for us, it's important to remain united regardless of the circumstances, is the fact that all of us have one common denominator. We have passion for what we do. Every single brother here, when we are at the academy, when we're doing something related to Jiu-Jitsu, there's no other place we'd rather be. You know what I'm saying? We want to be there. We don't want to exchange places with anybody, regardless of any circumstances. And I feel in our own way, for us, I think we have created a legacy, and I think we have contributed to the history of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in the United States and in the world at large.
We learn as much as the students learn. We teach, but we are ever learning, always learning. We learn from the students, but to start seeing with the years, in our own lives, our own experience, on our own trials and tribulations of life we all go through, and the role we play with our students at the school, in all the schools that we had, we still have, that we will have. We start seeing as we mature as teachers and seeing more and more the need to teach more than just an armbar, to teach more than just a choke. And we go beyond that. We get people to understand to use Jiu-Jitsu as a tool in their lives. So not just learn how to fight. That's small. Later in your life, you might never fight somebody on the street. It's more than that. How to carry that. It doesn't matter. You can be a doctor. You can be there, but you have your course. You're breathing. You're more calm. And each brother will do that in their own particular way. But how the friendship that you develop in the school, how in our own way, but each brother in their own way, but how we welcome our students with a smile, how we talk to them. And we do that from the heart, not because we are acting that, because we grew up this way. So Jiu-Jitsu has that power, as martial arts in general, to help people to express themselves. That's what I want to say.
I don't want to teach you Jiu-Jitsu. I want you to live Jiu-Jitsu.
Yeah.
That's what you get when you come to our school. You're not going to learn Jiu-Jitsu. You're going to live every day.
The mentality of the students themselves. Like I have a rule in my academy that I use often. If a student taps the other student, he has to show right away how he tapped the guy out. And we let it help him see how he can counter. So, it's always growth regardless of. But anyhow.